Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you can see, family, today is a sunny day. The sun finally came out, and it's a nice and sunny day in Kenya today. And everybody is actually excited about the sun because, as you know, for the past days, there was no sun, family. There was no sun. Now the sun is out. I woke up this morning and I exercise and I, walk and stuff, because when the sun is out, your body is alive. Your body is well. We are the sun people, family. We are the sun people. So when the sun is out, we are happy. And that's what we want to see, family. The sun is connected directly to the sun people, which is the black people, African people, the melanated people. Yeah, family. So today, this video, family, I'm just driving to actually get some stuff at the market and stuff. So I just want to actually make this video. And as you know, my videos, family, come from the thoughts that I get sometime when I'm showing, sometime when I wake up, 2, 3 a.m. in the morning. I'll get some thoughts and then I'll just write down the idea in my phone, and then when I get a chance, I'll just make a video around it and just try to inspire, enlighten, and motivate, and just try to make a difference, because what make a difference in my life was just one book I read, Rich Dad Poor Dad book. And that book alone actually changed my life, family. I remember up to the day I was in Jamaica working small jobs and trying to figure out a way how I'm gonna make it in this life. That's what's all on my mind. How I'm gonna make it, because it's looking bleak. Because the only way you can make it is maybe if you have a high-paying job, and to get a high-paying job you have to have master's degree, bachelor's degree, all these things. You have to spend 4 to 5 years in college. You have to find money for tuition and all of these things. So it's like things come into your head. You have to figure yourself out how you're gonna make it in this life, how you're gonna actually raise a family, how you're gonna take care of things, how you're gonna do stuff, how you're gonna have a house, how you're gonna have a car, or you're gonna maybe take your first flight and stuff like that, family. So it was kind of like that, family, where it was just that one book I read and a light bulb go off in my head, family, and I started to figure out, oh shit, there's another way I can do it. I look and I see all these other people who have businesses and I see how they live, and I'm saying, but there's another way to go about it, and you don't have to really have no government certificate and no education certificate. You can actually learn this thing you can learn it as a human being. You don't need no form of once you understand life and you do the right thing, and you can actually be something in this life, family. So that book is what actually motivated me, and I realized that there's another alternative. If you don't have all these accolades in education to get a high-paying job, then you can actually be a business owner. You can, and the internet was just coming around that time, and trust me, it was a struggle, family. I joined all these network marketing, selling products and all kind of thing. So it was really an easy task, but I can advise anyone who's into business and into self-made and stuff. You have to understand, family, that in business is the failure that give you success in business. When you fail, you have to fail enough to make it. You have to fail. You have to be failing forward, family. You have to be failing, and the more you fail, at the higher your chances for you to actually find something that work, family. And I was there, family, and I was just there and just doing everything online. I remember I bought a computer and I said I have to make money from this computer. This computer will be like a job. When I turn on my computer, I won't be going on a dating site and all kind of thing. This computer will be a place that I'll be working from when I turn it on. So it's just like I'm at the office, but I create this for myself. I create an office for myself where when I turn on my computer, somebody order something, I need to ship it. Somebody, you know what I mean, maybe watch a video or something. Somebody contacting me, want this to buy. Somebody say, hey, I see this and I like it. Somebody, it has to be something, family. So, you know what I mean, that's just what it is, family. And here am I today. I am here all the way from Jamaica in Africa, you know, trying to actually build a family, guys. So, you know, this video topic was to be family. Why I rather be poor and have a family than rich and don't have none, and without family. So, you know, that was supposed to be the video, but you know, as you know, we you know, topics lead to topics and idea leads to ideas, and that's how the brain works going forward. So guys, why I say that, family, and you comment in the box and let me know if you rather to be poor, but not literally say poor. You know what I mean, you know, there is poverty and poor, rich and wealthy. So those are the categories, guys. You have to, you know, so when you're poor, it doesn't mean that when you're poverty, you know, that's something you have to get rid of. Poverty is like a disease. You have to get rid of that disease. But when you're poor, it means that you just have the basic. When you're rich, you have a certain amount and stuff. And when you're wealthy, you know, it's everlasting. It cannot finish. You know, you will die and you will still leave something on the ground for somebody to get when you're wealthy. And it seems like it can never run out, family. So that's just my definition of the whole, you know what I mean, when you come out to money and finance, the different levels, family. So, you know, I'd rather be poor, just living a regular life, have a house, have a car, just eat food and, you know what I mean, live until 150 and, you know, have a big family. I'd rather do that more than rich and have all these things and have all these complications and I don't have a family. And one of the good thing, family, is that, you know, when you have a family, you know, it all takes time, because now I am just building my family, and that is important for my family, to have a bunch of kids and raise them the right way. That is very important for me. That's gonna take time. That's another maybe 15 to 20 years right now you're looking at. When you have 3 to 4 kids growing up, you know, another 20 years, family. So, you know, I mean, the man who actually built KFC never get wealthy until he was like in his 60s. So I still can get wealthy when my kids are big and I can start focus back on other stuff. Then I still can actually get a chance to get wealthy, and you know what I mean. So it doesn't matter. But in life, there's things that is very important in life that, you know what I mean, these things, if you don't have these things in life, you know, when you get older, it's gonna affect your big time, family. So these are the things that we actually, you know what I mean, we want to focus on, and everything takes time. So it makes no sense you waste your younger days and actually chasing girls and chasing things when you could actually start a family and build a foundation, and then after, when you actually retire or when the kids them get big, you can focus on some other thing now and start, you know what I mean, maybe make a lot of money, the health is in check, and you still have a chance to enjoy it, you know what I mean, and then your kids will be around and you will be enjoying life like that, family. But when you build up all of these wealth and you don't have nothing, nobody to actually enjoy it with you, you know, you live a poor life and you might end up in a old age home. Some family members might put you in a old age home, and that's the end, family. So guys, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm just gonna show you what I'm going to do, what I'm going to buy and stuff on the road. So for now, continue watching the video. Yeah, family, so I'm actually in Nyverse. I'm about to get some greens. This is a Jamaican callaloo. So this one is the cow peas, and this one is the white peas. And let me have some black beans. A kilo, a kilo. Yeah. All right. And I'm having the red peas. This one is the same as that one. Let me have this. Let me have this one. A kg. No, this one instead. Let me have this one. Kg. Yeah, so I think that's it. We have some brown rice here. This is green grams.
Brown rice?
No, yeah, let me have a kg brown rice. I have no brown rice at home. Yeah, so that's it. Pick some dates. What else I need? Sugar. Yeah, family, so this is actually quick man. Man, let me have some Brazil nuts, 200 grams Brazil nuts. Yeah, family, so if it's the first time you're watching this video, please like and share and subscribe to the video. Need to get our wipes for Amish. I'm looking for that. I'm looking for our wipes. But if it's the first time you're watching this video, like, share and subscribe. This is Anke Roo from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm out. Yeah, family, so I stop and get a watermelon. As you can see, the watermelon is so nice. How much for this one?
This is for 20.
420. Okay, let's put it in the back for me, please. Yeah, family, so as you can see, the watermelon is so nice here in Kenya. Like and share and subscribe to the video. I'm out.